Hi everyone, I'm currently here at the Sustainable Resource Centre in Smithfield, and as you can see behind me, a lot of the contractors are putting together the bins and getting ready to roll them out across the city. It's already started, but all up there'll be almost 60,000 bins and caddies that will be rolled out to every single residence. But also today we just received one of our new trucks, and for most of us, during the night when we take out our bins, it's all about just taking the bin out and somebody will pick it up, but we don't realise how much work and how much effort goes behind it. So Council has ordered another 5 trucks. That brings in total to a total of 23 trucks in our fleet, and Council is currently out on an expression of interest for any truck drivers out there that want a job. We're looking for truck drivers that can pick up bins without making too much noise. They're the ones that we actually want. But look, it's a big investment. We're doing it for our community. Over the next 8 weeks, almost 60,000 bins will be rolled out. Don't forget about your caddies when you get them. Inside there will be the biodegradable bags that you'll be able to use, and also at the same time this plastic bag, which is the black bag, and inside there'll be a lot of goodies, but most importantly there will be the information on how and when to use your green bins. So please, as Council rolls out the green bins, take them inside as soon as possible. We want to make sure that everyone gets their bins, and we look forward to starting the green service in early June.